Hey guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to do arm signals. So your arm signals are mainly used for when your indicator is not working. So your light bulb might have gone, or maybe the mechanism for indicating is not working, then you want to use your arm signals. And before you do an arm signal, you're going to check your mirrors first. Before you stick your arm out the window, you're going to check your mirrors first, check over your shoulder maybe, make sure there's no one right next to you, because you don't want to end up punching somebody as they're going past, or maybe getting your arm taken off by a big lorry or something. So this roundabout I'm going to turn right, so I'm just going to check my mirrors, make sure there's no one right next to me before I stick my arm out, and my palm's going to be like this, and I'm going to stick it straight out the window. Let this person go. Checking the right from early, and I can make my turn to the right, put my arm back in because now everyone knows which way I'm turning, and then it's done. So the next roundabout I'm going to turn left. I'm going to check my center mirror and my left mirror. I'm also going to check my right mirror, make sure there's no one outside the car before I stick my arm out. So I've got my palm like this with my thumb at the top. Then I'm going to move my arms like this, anti-clockwise in circles, so everyone knows I'm going to be turning left. I'm slowing down as well. My brake lights are on, so everybody knows I'm going to be slowing down, and then I make my turn. So you can also use your arm signals to let people know that you're pulling up. So if you're pulling up to stop somewhere, I'm going to do that in a second. So I'm going to check my mirrors first, make sure there's no one right next to me. And this one, you have your palm like facing down towards the ground, okay? So I'm just going to stick my arm out the window again. Then I'm going to put up and down like this. Up and down. So now they know to back off a bit. And then put my arm back in. And it's done. Okay? So that's how you do your arm signals. Let me just close this window so you can hear me properly. So that's how you do your arm signals. So remember, for the left, you want to have your palm like this with your thumb at the top, and then you stick it straight out the window, and you're going to do anti-clockwise, big circular motions, anti-clockwise out the window. For the right, you just want to stick your arm straight out the window with your palm like this again, facing forward, and your thumb at the top. And then for pulling up, you just your palm is facing down towards the road, and then you're going to stick your arm out the window, then up and down, big motion like that, so everyone knows that you're coming to a stop and you're pulling up. Okay, so I hope you guys found that useful. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.